విద్యార్థులలో దాగివున్న సృజనాత్మకతను వెలికితీసేందుకు సంగారెడ్డి పట్టణంలోని రిషి హైస్కూల్లో పాఠశాల స్థాయి విద్యా వైజ్ఞానిక ప్రదర్శనను ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. రిషి హైస్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ లక్ష్మీ రెడ్డి ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన విద్యా వైజ్ఞానిక ప్రదర్శనలో విద్యార్థులు తాము రూపొందించిన వివిధ ప్రదర్శనలను ఉంచారు. రిషి హైస్కూల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన విద్యా వైజ్ఞానిక ప్రదర్శనను మండల విద్యాశాఖ అధికారి వెంకట నర్సింలు ప్రారంభించారు. విద్యార్థులు రూపొందించిన ప్రదర్శనలను తిలకించారు. ఎంతో అద్భుతంగా తమ నైపుణ్యాన్ని ప్రదర్శించిన రిషి హైస్కూల్ విద్యార్థులను వెంకట నర్సింలు అభినందించారు. చిన్నారులచే ఏర్పాటు చేయబడిన విద్యా వైజ్ఞానిక ప్రదర్శనను విద్యార్థుల కుటుంబ సభ్యులు తిలకించి అబ్బురపడ్డారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు మాట్లాడుతూ సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయాలు మరియు క్రమశిక్షణతో కూడిన విద్యను బోధిస్తూ అమ్మ లాంటి లాలన, తండ్రి లాంటి పాలనతో తమ పిల్లలను ఉన్నతులుగా తీర్చిదిద్దుతున్న రిషి హైస్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మరియు అధ్యాపక బృందానికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలిపారు. 2023-24 విద్యా సంవత్సరంలో రిషి హైస్కూల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన వివిధ పోటీలు, పలు కార్యక్రమాలలో ప్రతిభ కనబరిచిన విద్యార్థులకు ప్రిన్సిపాల్ లక్ష్మీ రెడ్డి జ్ఞాపికలు, మెడల్స్ మరియు సర్టిఫికెట్లను అందజేశారు. రిషి హైస్కూల్పై నమ్మకముంచి పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థులను చేర్చి ప్రోత్సాహిస్తున్న విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, అదేవిధంగా విద్యార్థులకు క్రమశిక్షణతో కూడిన విద్యను బోధిస్తూ, వారిలో ఉన్నత విలువలను పెంపొందిస్తూ, మంచి ఫలితాలను రాబడుతూ, నిరంతరం తమ విద్యార్థుల అభివృద్ధిని కాంక్షించే రిషి హైస్కూల్ అధ్యాపక బృందానికి మరియు సిబ్బందికి ప్రిన్సిపాల్ లక్ష్మీ రెడ్డి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలిపారు.
అవ్యయం అంటే లింగ వచన విభక్తులు లేని పదాలను అవ్యయము అంటారు. ఉదాహరణ ఆహా, అట్లనే, ఓహో, అయ్యో. క్రియ అంటే పనిని తెలిపే పదాన్ని క్రియ అంటారు. ఉదాహరణ వెళ్ళండి, చదివాడు, రాస్తున్నాడు, భోజనం చేస్తానని తెలిపే పదాలను విశేషణము అంటారు. ఉదాహరణ అందమైన, ఒక రోజు. అలా 7 రోజులను వారం అంటారు. 15 రోజులను ఒక పక్షం అని, 2 పక్షాలను ఒక మాసం అని అంటారు. 2 పక్షాలు ఉంటాయి. ఉపకారికి ఉపకారం కాల చేయాలి వెనుకంగా, అపకారికి ఉపకారం వెనక సేపు వాడు లేపని భావం. మనకి మేలు చేసిన వారికి మేలు చేసి ఆ బాకిని తీర్చుకోవడం గొప్ప కాదు. చేసిన వారికి కూడా మేలు చేయాలి. అనగా అనగా రాగా మన పేరు తినగా తినగా వేలు తీయాలి. సాధారణంగా పదావి రామ. సూర్యచరణాల్లో గమనం ఆధార్యంగా నక్షత్రాల పేర్లలో కొన్నిటిని తెలుగు నెలలుగా తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మిత్రం, వైశాఖం, జ్యేష్టం, ఆషాఢం, శ్రావణం, భాద్రపదం, ఆశ్వయుజం, కార్తీకం, మార్గశిరం, పుష్యం, మాఘం, పాల్గొనం. ధన్యవాదాలు. వసంత ఋతువు, వర్ష ఋతువు, శరత్ ఋతువు. సరళ పదాలు ఎటువంటి ఒత్తులు లేకుండా గుణితాలతో కూడిన అర్థవంతమైన పదాలను సరళ పదాలు అని అంటారు. కలత, కడత, పడత, మడత, చేరత, ఉడత, కలత. ధన్యవాదాలు. సంతక్షరం అంటే ఒక అక్షరానికి వేరే ఒత్తు వచ్చి చేరితే దాన్ని సంతక్షరం అంటారు. ఉదాహరణ మానే ఒత్తుకి యావత్ వచ్చింది సోమ్య, రానే ఒత్తుకి యావత్ వచ్చింది కార్యము, లానే ఒత్తుకి కావత్ వచ్చింది ఉల్క, పానే ఒత్తుకి డావత్ వచ్చింది సప్తమి. అక్షరాలు అంటే ఒక అక్షరానికి అదే ఒత్తు వస్తే దాన్ని ద్విత్వాక్షరాలు అంటారు. ధన్యవాదాలు. ఆయుష్ను పెంచేది ఆయుర్వేదం. ఆయుర్వేదం అనగా చెట్ల నుండి లభించే వాటితోనే వైద్యం చేసేవారు. అటువంటిది మన వంటింట్లో అనేక ఔషధ గుణాలు కలిగి ఉన్న వస్తువులు ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని మనం చిన్న చిన్న అనారోగ్య సమస్యలను దూరం చేసుకోవచ్చు. యాలకులు మంచి సువాసన కలిగి ఉంటుంది, నోటి దుర్వాసన తగ్గిస్తుంది. మంచి సువాసన కలిగి ఉంటుంది, నోటి దుర్వాసన తగ్గిస్తుంది. క్యాన్సర్ లాంటి వ్యాధులను అడ్డుకుంటుంది. ఉప్పు వల్ల నష్టాలే కాదు, లాభాలు కూడా ఉన్నాయని ఆయుర్వేదం చెబుతుంది. ఆహారానికి రుచిని మాత్రమే కాదు, అనేక లాభాలు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఉప్పు ఒత్తిడిని తగ్గిస్తుంది. ఉప్పు జీర్ణరసాల ఉత్పత్తిలో సహాయపడుతుంది. ఉప్పు రక్తపోటును నియంత్రిస్తుంది. ఉప్పు కండరాల కీళ్ళ నొప్పులను నియంత్రిస్తుంది. ఉప్పు వల్ల కంటి సమస్యలను నియంత్రించవచ్చు అని నిపుణులు చెబుతున్నారు.
నమస్కారం. ప్రాచీన కాలం నుండి మన భారతదేశంలో కుటుంబ వ్యవస్థకు ఎంతో ప్రాధాన్యత ఉంది. కుటుంబాలు రెండు రకాలు, ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం, రెండవది సమిష్టి కుటుంబం. ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం. కుటుంబం అంటే ఒక గృహంలో అందరూ కలిసి ఉండడం. అమ్మ, నాన్న, తాతయ్య, నానమ్మ, పెదనాన్నలు, పెద్దమ్మలు, అబ్బాయిలు, పిన్నులు, మామయ్య, అత్తయ్యలు మరియు పిల్లలు, ఇలా అందరూ కలిసి ఒక్క గృహంలో ఉంటారు. దీనిని ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం అంటారు.
ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబంలో ఉన్నవారికి అన్ని అనుభవాలు కలిగి ఉంటారు. సంతోషం, దుఃఖం, బాధ, ప్రేమ, జాలి, కష్టపడటం, సహాయం చేస్తారు. విలువలు వాళ్ళను అధిక పరిస్థితులు చేస్తారు.
విలువలు ఉంటాయి. పెద్దవారిని గౌరవిస్తారు, చిన్నవారిని ప్రేమిస్తారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ బాధ్యతగా నడుచుకుంటారు.
సమాజంలో ఎదుటి వారితో ఎలా ప్రవర్తించాలో కుటుంబంలో నేర్చుకుంటారు. సమాజంలో ఏ స్త్రీ అయినా గౌరవిస్తే వారిని తోబుట్టుగా గౌరవిస్తారు. జోలపాట వర్ణమాలాలు అంటే ఆటో బండిరా. అచ్చులు 16 అటు అమ్మహ. వనమల అంటే ఆటు బండిరా. అచ్చులు అంటే ఆటు ఇల్లులు అంటే ఆటు బండిరా. ఉభయాక్షర అంటే 0 అరసున్న దశరగ. అడిలో పెరిగిన మా ఇంటికి వచ్చింది. చైతక్కల అడిగినది కవ్వ. ఆకాశంలో ఉంటాడు, అంతా చల్లగా చూస్తాడు. ఆర్తిపుట్ట వస్తాడు, చుక్కలతో ముద్దేస్తాడు. అతడికి పిల్లలందరికీ నేను మామ అవుతాడు. ఏంటది? చంద్రమామ. Fraction is part of a whole. First is like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Like fraction, fractions that have the same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 1/4 and 2/4. Unlike fraction, fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 1/8 and 3/4. Next is proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fraction. For example, 3/5. Next is improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, 8/7. Next is mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. That is called mixed fraction. For example, 1 into 2/7. Thank you. Now I am going to explain about shapes. Square, rectangle, pentagon, circle, triangle, hexagon, octagon. Octagon had 5 sides. 8 sides. 8, 8. Pentagon had 5 sides and 5 corners.
Division means sharing equal things. For example, 8 divide 2. 8 divide 2. 8 is divided. 2 is division. 4 is quotient. For example, 8 divide 2. We will take 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will take 2 to 6 into the cup. 1, 4. Quotient is 4. Remainder is 0.
And now I'm going to say about multiplication. Multiplication is the process of calculating the product of two or more numbers. The basic explanation of multiplication is adding a number with respect to another number repeatedly. For example, if we are multiplying 2 by 3, it means 3 is added itself, like 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Multiplication helps us find the total number of items quickly. For multiplication, we will think about the sized groups and the number of items in each group. For example, 5 into 3. 5 represent number of groups. 3 represent number of items in each group. Now I'm going to solve this problem. 3 into 6. 3 times of 6. It means total we have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. In each group we have to distribute 6 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. After distributing, now we should add all of these seats together. Let's add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8. So the answer is 18. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
I am going to explain about division examples. So, suppose 91 divided by 7. 91 by 7. 7 will 9. 7 in the 7 tables, 9 will be ordered. Then we have to take nearest to 9. 7 1 7. This we have to take. If it is smaller, we have to take one more digit down. 1. In the 7 table, 21 will be there. 3 is 7, 3 is 21. 3 is 21.
Sarah, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday.
Square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Example C is board, TV and blackboard. Thank you. Think about triangle. Triangle has three sides and 3 corners. Triangle example, cone and birthday cap. Thank you. Explaining about circle, no sides and no corners. Circle example, blangle and ball. Thank you. The process of take one number away from another number is called subtractions.
About addition. Addition means adding any number. Addition symbol is plus symbol. Example: 2 plus 10 equal 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 equal 2 in the mind, 10 not finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal 12. Thank you. My project name is addition. The process of adding two or more numbers to compute their sum is called addition.
Salty is the adjective because we are discussing about how it is. Can you taste it how it is? Crunchy. Because crunchy is the adjective. Because we are discussing about the how is the chips. Thank you. Pronouns are used in place of noun. Helping verbs will give meaning to the main verb. Example of pronouns: he, she, it, you, we, they. Example of helping verbs: am, is, are. We will use are in place of plural nouns. We will use is in place of singular noun. We will use am for I. Example: the ball is in the basket. Two words. The ball moves towards the turnip. Near. The ball is near the table. Today my topic is ideate. Story element. S stands for setting. Please stands for talking center. O stands for a problem. R stands for resolving the problem. Y stands for is solution. Setting back. That is with talking cancer. Rani Lakshmi Bai and the British. A problem. The British have attacked the city of Jhansi. Resolving the problem. Rani Lakshmi Bai is fighting to save Jhansi. Is solution. Though she does not win, her courage motivates several others to fight for independence. Next, drafting a story. In drafting, the three parts are beginning, middle, end. Beginning starts from
Vinegar, baking soda, and some balloons. First, pour the vinegar in the bottle using the funnel. Here, do the some more. The baking soda and the vinegar are acid-base reaction. The two chemicals work together to create a gas, carbon dioxide. Gas needs space so that the balloon will go. Thank you.
I am going to say about articles. Articles are a, and the. Now I am going to say about article A. A is used before consonant sounds. For example, a tree, a cow, a chain, a donkey, a ball, and a rabbit. Article an. An is used before vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an internet, an orange, an aeroplane, an ostrich, and an orange tree. Article A and an is also used for singular nouns. Today I am going to explain about noun, pronoun. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, and thing. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Examples: he, she, it, they, I, we, you. Now I am going to say about some examples of noun and pronoun. Noun is a girl, pronoun is she. Noun is tree, pronoun is it. Noun is butterfly, pronoun is it. Noun is friends, pronoun is we and they. Noun is boy, pronoun is he. Thank you. I am going to explain about verb and adverb. Verb. An action that a person does is called a verb. An action verb tells us the subject of our sentence is doing physically or mentally. These are the examples of action verbs: listening, playing, reading. Adverbs. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective. There are different types of adjectives in English language. Now I will explain you 4 types of adjectives. Adjective of manner, adjective of place, adjective of frequency, adjective of time. Adjective of manner. Ask the question how the action was done. Examples: silently, sadly, gently, wisely. Adjective of place. Ask the question where the action was done. Examples: away, there, here, outside. Adjective of frequency. Ask the question how often the action was done. Examples: never, often, twice a month, always. Adjective of time. Ask the question when. Examples: late, soon, before. Thank you.
Preposition is a word that shows the relation between noun or an pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. I will show the examples of prepositions. A preposition is: the butterfly is going into the basket. The butterfly is over the tree. The butterfly is on the tree. The butterfly is above the tree. The butterfly is under the tree. The butterfly is in between the tree. The butterfly is in front of tree. The butterfly is behind the tree.
I am going to explain about pros of mobile phones. Mobile phones are one of the most advanced and time-saving technology that is being used by everyone all over the globe. Mobile phone has become an important part of our life. Through mobile phones, we can talk to anyone in the world. You can send messages through SMS or chat applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger. We can do money transactions using PhonePe or Google Pay. We can pay electricity bills and we can do online shopping. Google Maps provides the largest and the most detailed maps and navigation services in the world. It offers games, movies, and even books. Many people do business through their mobile phones nowadays. With so many learning apps, now students can learn anything through their mobile phones.
Now I am going to say about alternative hobbies that using phones. Nowadays children are addicted to mobile phones and forgetting about other hobbies which are very useful to them. Here are some alternative hobbies and using phones are cooking, reading books, painting, gardening, playing with siblings, spending time with parents, organizing your room, and learning new tricks in makeup. These are the hobbies which are very useful to them. And parents also should motivate children to follow these hobbies instead of using mobile phones. Thank you.
Biology based on the shape. Liquid do not have definition. The taste of containing their solubility. Now it's over magic. Let sugar really dissolve by your food. Take 2 glasses of water. One glass we should add sugar. Finally, we conclude sugar is soluble, oil is not soluble.
Synonyms. Synonyms means the same. Synonyms means the same. A word or a phrase means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase is called its synonyms. Lohan was sad. Namita was unhappy. Sad and unhappy are synonyms as they have same meaning. Cheerful, happy, quick, fast, neat, tidy, sick, in. These are some synonyms. Some words have more than one synonym. Here are some examples. Happy, cheerful, joyful, jolly, glad, angry, mad, furious, fuming, annoyed. Thank you.
भारत अभियान के बारे में बोलना चाह रही हूँ। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान भारत सरकार की राह आरंभ किया गया है। यह एक राष्ट्रीय सतर्कता अभियान है जिसका उद्देश्य गलियों सड़कों में देश को साफ सुथरा रखना, कूड़ा साफ रखना है। 2 अक्टूबर 2014 को प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस अभियान का आगाज किया था। भारत के महान व्यक्ति महात्मा गांधी जी ने कहा था कि स्वच्छता स्वतंत्रता की तुलना में अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है। गरीबी, शिक्षा की कमी, अन्य सामाजिक मुद्दों के कारण भारत अभी भी विकासशील देश है। हमें समाज से सभी बुरे कारणों को खत्म करने की जरूरत है। कैसे हम देश को स्वच्छ कर सकते हैं? हमें देश के हर घर में शौचालय बनवाने होंगे। हर शहर, हर गांव सार्वजनिक शौचालय बनवाने होंगे। हमें लोगों में साफ सफाई और स्वच्छता के प्रति जागरूकता फैलानी होगी। हमें जगह जगह कचरा पत्रों का निर्माण करना होगा। हमें नए कानूनों का निर्माण करना होगा जिससे कि लोग कहीं भी गंदगी ना फैलाए। धन्यवाद।
मैं आपको विराम चिन्ह के बारे में बताऊंगी। मीठे पत्ते या भोजन समझने या विराम देने के लिए हम जिन चिन्हों का प्रयोग करते हैं, आप सबको मेरा नाम है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको विराम चिन्ह के बारे में बताऊंगी। मीठे पत्ते या भोजन समझने या विराम देने के लिए हम जिन चिन्हों का प्रयोग करते हैं उन्हें विराम सही ढंग से पढ़ना बोलते या पढ़ते समय थोड़ी देर रुकने के लिए अल्प विराम लगाते हैं। प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह मतलब क्वेश्चन मार्क। प्रश्न पूछने के लिए प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह का प्रयोग करते हैं। विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह मतलब एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क। प्रश्न आज मैं आप सब लोगों को विशेषण के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ। विशेषण बोले तो संज्ञा, जैसे कि यह रूम बहुत बड़ा है। इसके अंदर संज्ञा क्या है? इसके अंदर संज्ञा है बड़ा। धन्यवाद। जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल खाना, पीना, सोना, लिखना, पढ़ना, उठना, खेलना। धन्यवाद। मैं विलोम शब्द के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ। विलोम शब्द बोलकर एक शब्द का उल्टा देने वाले शब्द को विलोम शब्द कहते हैं। उदाहरण ऊपर नीचे। धन्यवाद।
आज मैं दुकान शब्द के बारे में बताता हूँ। दुकान शब्द बोले तो दुकान शब्द ऐसे शब्दों के कहा जाते हैं कि जिनके अंत का वर्ण समान होता है। उदाहरण आर पार, लूटा पीटा, खाना पीना, गीता सीता गीता, जोर शोर, दर वन, नट कट, जब तक, कभी कभी, चार गहन, हाल चाल, फूल दूर, आव दाव, असली नकली, डर डर, रोना धोना, नल जल, तोरी रोई, जात पात, दानव मानव, कच्चा बच्चा, मटका लटका, रानी नानी, राजा बाजा।
अंदर अंदर बाहर, हंसना रोना, सही गलत, आसमान जमीन। नमस्कार सर, आज हम भारत प्रतीक के बारे में बोल रहा है। राष्ट्रीय ध्वज तिरंगा, राष्ट्रीय फल आम, राष्ट्रीय खेल हॉकी, राष्ट्रीय फूल कमल, राष्ट्रीय पशु बाघ, राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मोर, राष्ट्रीय वृक्ष बरगद, राष्ट्रीय ध्वज तिरंगा। आज हम पेड़ों के उपयोग बता रहा हूँ। पेड़ों के उपयोग है दवाइयाँ, कॉफी, रबर, कपड़े, सब्जियाँ, फल, फूल। धन्यवाद। आज मैं पेड़ के उपयोग बोलती जा रही हूँ। पेड़ हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं, हमें जीने को यहाँ जरूरी है। पेड़ हमें लकड़ी देते हैं, इसा से हमें फर्नीचर बनते हैं। पेड़ हमें फूल देते हैं, पेड़ हमें छाया देते हैं, पेड़ हमें दवा देते हैं, पेड़ हमें बड़ा पाठशाला ये कबूतर है, इसका पैर रख सका है, इसे इंग्लिश में पीजीएफ कहते हैं। ये कहाँ है, इसका ये कहाँ है, इसे स्वर की सुनाता हूँ। आज से बना अनार, 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 रसीला दानेदार, खाते हैं हम लाल अनार। आज से बना आम, आम, आम। No, October. In rainy season, we will carry umbrella and we wear raincoat. We will enjoy hot fun. Thank you. Good morning. A natural surface of land is known as landforms. We have three landforms: plains, mountains, and its plateaus. Plains are flat landforms spreading over areas. Mountains are its raising landforms. Plateaus are raising landforms with flat tops. Examples: coastal plains, Kashmir Valley, Deccan Plateau, Kashmir. Thank you. Solar system. Earth and other national bodies like Earth are called planets. They move around the sun and form a solar system. We have 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In our solar system, hottest planet is Mercury. In our solar system, biggest planet Jupiter. In our solar system, hottest planet Venus. In our solar system, third planet we are Moon. Our sources of water. We have many sources of water. 97% of water on Earth's surface is covered with water. 3 main sources of water: rainwater, groundwater, including streams and handpumps. Surface water, this including rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes. In our home, we get water from tanks. We can use water for cooking, washing, bathing, need water, so we should not waste water. They celebrate Navaratri. Thank you. I am about to it.
the remaining alphabets after using the vowels. Vowels are the A, Y, and U. A is used before the consonant like a ball, a cat, a dog, and is used before the vowel letters and orange. Orange, here the first letter is log, and vowel log, here for example log, an apple, an elephant, and vowel and item. Names of persons, places, things, animals. Now I am saying about animals. Cat is drinking milk. The noun is cat. Lion is staying in the cave. The noun is lion. Cow is eating grass. The noun is cow. Elephant is running slowly. The noun is elephant. Tiger is sleeping in the forest. The noun is deer. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is names of persons, animals, things, places. Now I am telling about persons. Sitting on the board in office, and the thing is board and office. My friend Masha is sitting on the bed. The thing is bench. My friend is reading the storybook. In the thing is book. Thank you. And now we are going to tell about now. And now we can word that name something such as a person, place, thing. Example, Lasha is writing in that noun is Lasha. Riksha is dancing in that noun is dancing. Jasnika is playing in that noun is Jasnika. I am from second standard. Today my topic is about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Ordinal number shows position of the things or persons. This is the first card, this is the second card, this is the third card, this is the fourth card, this is the fifth card, this is the sixth card, this is the seventh card, this is the eighth card, this is the ninth card, this is the 10th. I said to go forward separately in the cardinal ordinal number is called it expressions the cardinal ordinal numbers is called topic ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Ordinal number shows position of the things or persons. This is the first card, this is the first card, this is the second card, this is the third card, this is the fourth card, this is the fifth card, this is the sixth card, this is the seventh card, this is the eighth card, this is the ninth card, this is the tenth card. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. We say about the. My name is my topic is ordinal
We did a project on satellite communication. A satellite is an object that orbits another object in space. In space, satellite may be natural or artificial. We are saying about artificial satellite. Artificial satellite. When we send a information to satellite, it will search about that information. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain about pyramid. Grass is the producer. So grass is eaten by a rat. Rat is the primary consumer. Rat is eaten by a snake. Snake is the secondary consumer. Snake is eaten by a eagle. Eagle is the territory consumer. Thank you. Food pyramid.
To explain about create new Gmail account, first open to the Google Chrome web browser and search the create new Gmail account in search box. Next select the create a Google account. Here select the for myself option. Next continue. Here enter your first name, last name and create your own password and click on the next option. Enter your date of birth and gender. Enter your mobile number and continue. Pick a Gmail address of create your own. Next started with your Gmail account. Thank you.
Going to explain scratch blocks. Now I am going to explain two blocks that are sensing blocks are the blocks that indicate things. There are 18 sensing blocks in Scratch 3.0. Looks blocks are the blocks that how a strip looks. There are 23 fencing blocks in Scratch 3.0.
Full forwards. Thanks. Permanent account number, ATM, automatic teller machine, SIM, subscriber identity, model, UPI, transfer payments.
Today I explain about lowercase and uppercase. Lowercase means all small letters. Uppercase means all big letters. Thank you. Uppercase means all big letters. Thank you. Going to explain about algorithm. An algorithm is a process or set of rules to be followed. An algorithm receives input, not an output. Now let us look at an example of algorithm to make tea. Fill a kettle with 1 cup of water. Turn on the stove to boil the water. Check to see if the water is boiling. If the water is boiling, add 1 spoon of tea leaves, sugar and 1 cup of milk to it. If the water is not boiling, wait for it to boil and add tea leaves, sugar and milk to it. Strain the tea into a cup and now your tea is ready. You can have it. This is the algorithm to make tea. Thank you. Button serving, left button, right button, cursors. Thank you.
My project is yes. This is monitor. CPU.
मैं आज कृत्रिम उपग्रह के बारे में बताऊंगी। कृत्रिम उपग्रह मानव निर्मित ऐसे उपकरण है जो पृथ्वी की निश्चित कक्षा में परिक्रमा करते हैं। अपने संतुलन को बनाए रखने के लिए ये उपग्रह अपने अक्ष पर भी घूमते हैं। वर्ष 1957 में सर्वप्रथम रूस ने एक कृत्रिम उपग्रह स्पुतनिक 1 अंतरिक्ष में प्रक्षेपित किया था। स्पुतनिक 1 के पश्चात हजारों कृत्रिम उपग्रह अंतरिक्ष में प्रक्षेपित किए गए। कृत्रिम उपग्रह अंतरिक्ष में कुछ प्रमुख उद्देश्यों के लिए प्रक्षेपित किए जाते हैं, जिनमें दूरसंचार, मौसम विज्ञान संबंधी अध्ययन और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जासूसी प्रमुख है। वर्ष 1957 तक से भी अधिक कृत्रिम उपग्रह पृथ्वी की परिक्रमा कर रहे थे, किंतु आज ये संख्या बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुकी है। अब मेरे सहेली सांची बताए।
मैं कृत्रिम उपग्रह बारे में बताऊंगी। भारत में पहले कृत्रिम उपग्रह 19 अप्रैल 1975 को रूस से अंतरिक्ष में पुरस्कार किया। भारत ने इसे कृत्रिम उपग्रह का नाम 5वीं शताब्दी में भारतीय खगोल शास्त्री एवं गणितज्ञ
सुबोधय घड़ा है। गाँव एक ऐसी जगह है कि जिसमें सभी लोग मिलजुल कर रहते हैं और एक दूसरे की सहायता करते हैं। गांव में अनेक तरह के लोगों को काम करने वाले रहते हैं, जैसा किसान। खेतों को हरा भरा करने के लिए किसान दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं, अन्न उगाते हैं, हमारी भूख मिटाती है। बंसोर टोकरी और आदि सामान बनाते हैं। सुनार सोने और चांदी से आभूषण जैसा अंगूठी, कंगन आदि सामान बनाते हैं। अब मेरी सहेली भार्गवी लुहार और कुम्हार के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। मेरा नाम भार्गवी है, मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। अब मैं चूल्हा और लुहार के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। लुहार लोहे के सामान बनाते। जूल्हा कपड़ा बुनता है। ये कपड़े मशीन और हाथ दोनों से बनाते हैं। हाथ से बनाने वाले हाथ करकर करते हैं। अब मेरे सहेली हरिप्रिया बताइए।
शुभोदय, मेरा नाम हरिप्रिया है, मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। अब मैं कुम्हार बढ़ाई के बारे में जा रही है। कुम्हार गाँव वाले के लिए मिट्टी से बर्तन बनाते हैं। बढ़ाई लकड़ी से कुर्सी, खिड़की, सामान बनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
विश्वनाथ पाठशाला में पढ़ रहा हूँ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं त्योहार के बारे में। त्योहार 4 प्रकार के हैं। इंडिपेंडेंस डे, होली, मुबारक, क्रिसमस। भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस हर वर्ष 15 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है। सन 1947 में इसी दिन भारत को निवासी ब्रिटिश शासन से स्वातंत्र प्राप्त की थी। होली हमारे भारत देश का प्राचीन और प्रमुख त्योहार है। यह त्योहार इस में मनाया जाता है। क्रिसमस के दिन ईसाई लोग अपने घर के माली को सजाते हैं। क्रिसमस की तैयारी से ही होने लगती है। लगभग 10,000 तक रहती है। बाजार की हाइनिक बढ़ जाती है।
आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ग्रामीण जीवन और शहरी जीवन के बारे में। तो ये है ग्रामीण जीवन और ये है शहरी जीवन। आप देख सकते हैं कि ग्रामीण जीवन में एक किसान अपने खेत में नज़र रखता है और गांव में सारे बच्चे मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। तो शहरों के मुकाबले गांव में ज़्यादा यातायात के साधन नहीं चलते हैं। शहरों की जनसंख्या अधिक है, इसलिए वहां सड़कों पर ट्रैफिक जैम इत्यादि हर दिन लगा रहता है। शहरों में फैक्ट्रियों और गाड़ियों के कारण वायु प्रदूषण बढ़ गया है। शहरों में अधिक गर्मी और प्रदूषण इन सब चीज़ों का नतीजा है। यानी शहरों में इस फैक्ट्रियों से और चलते हुए गाड़ियों के प्रदूषण की वजह से वातावरण प्रदूषित होता है। इसीलिए गाँवों के वातावरण हरा भरा।
शुभोदय। अब मैं कबीरदास के बारे में बताऊंगी। कबीरदास का कवि परिचय। कबीरदास ज्ञानवादी शाखा के प्रतिनिधि कवि माना जाता है। उनका
లోపలికి రాండి మరి.
अब मैं कबीरदास के दोहे के बारे में बोल रही हूँ। धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सिंचाई हो गड़ा ऋतु आए फल। इसका भाव है कबीर कहते हैं कि सभी कामों को धीरे धीरे करना चाहिए। धीरे से कभी
जिस तरह एक बात दूध फट जाते हैं तो उसे प्रति नहीं होता। बड़े
आज मैं रमज़ान ईद के बारे में बताती हूँ। रमज़ान इस्लाम धर्म का प्रत्येक त्योहार है। इसे ईद उल फित्र भी कहते हैं। रमज़ान इस्लाम धर्म के नबी महीने का नाम है।
उनमें फर्स्ट तौहीद, बिलीफ ऑफ वन गॉड, सेकंड नमाज प्रेयर, थर्ड रोज़ा फास्टिंग, फोर्थ ज़कात चैरिटी, फिफ्थ हज पिलग्रिमेज ऑफ मक्का। फर्स्ट तौहीद बोले तो बिलीफ ऑफ वन गॉड, एक अल्लाह को मानना इस्लाम का महत्वपूर्ण सिद्धांत है। नमाज, दिन में 5 बार नमाज पढ़ना मुसलमान लोगों का फर्ज है। इस्लाम के आरंभ काल से ही नमाज पढ़ने का आदेश है। रोज़ा, इसलिए तीसरा सिद्धांत है। रोज़ा यानी उपवास है।
उपवास का पावन पर सद्भावन के सूत्र में बनकर मानव कल्याण के संदेश देता है।
बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। फुटबॉल एक अकेला टीम का खेले मिलजुल कर खेलने का खेल है। फुटबॉल खेलते समय गोल पर नज़र, लाइन पर नज़र रखना चाहिए। ये ऐसा खेल है, फुटबॉल सच्चाई का खेल है और प्रेम का खेल है। हमेशा जो वैरभाव हम
किसी वस्तु या सेवा खरीदने वाला वक्त किया जाने वक्त सामान खरीदते वक्त कई विषयों पर ध्यान रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि बेचने वाले मिलावट करते हैं और कम तोड़ते हैं, नहीं तो डर के लालच में मिलावट करते हैं। इसलिए आजकल सरकार ने उपभोक्ताओं को एक सूचना दिया कि इससे उपभोक्ता सामान खरीदते वक्त सचेत रहते हैं और किसी समस्या आने से उपभोक्ता मंच में शिकायत दे सकते हैं।
जागरूकता जान पाने के लिए वो आपसे सामान खरीदते हैं तो सभी में बिल लेना चाहिए। सही बिल लेना चाहिए, लेकिन पैकेट में विवरण ना रहते हैं, उससे ध्यान से पढ़ना। आई से आई या उपभोक्ता को सुरक्षा रचना वस्तु का सुविधा न मिलने पर सुनवाई रहती है। शक्तिपुत्र अधिकार के अंतर के प्रति होना आदि बारे पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
I'm from 4th class. Now I am going to explain about shortcut keys. Save, Control plus yes, open, Control plus O, open, copy, Control plus C, copy.
This is monitor. It is an output device that displays information in text from or picture from. Output device that
Output device. Speakers is an output device.
I am going to explain about parts of speech. Noun, a name of a people, animal, place, thing is called noun. Examples. In this case, is a noun because it is a person name. Ram sat on the chair. Ram is a person name. Pronoun. A word which is used in a place of noun. Example: she, he, it, etc.
We speak languages in three terms: present time, past time, future time. To speak those times, we use different verbs. V1, V2, V3 are helping us. To take, taken, I shall, we have, has, etc. In tenses with four branches is present, simple tense, continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Future, simple tense, continuous tense, perfect continuous. I am going to explain about modal verbs. Modal verbs. Can is used for capacity or ability. Example: I can solve this problem. Second one, she can answer this question. Can is also used for permission. Example: can I go now? Can is also used for willingness. Example: can you lend me your book? Could is used for possible action. Example: could is used to have the past verb of can. Example: I could not understand what you said yesterday. Could is also used for polite request. Example: can you give me 10 rupees? Might is used for more doubtful action. Example: he might be your uncle. May is used for doubtful action. Example: she may pass the exam. May is also used for possible action. Example: it may rain today. May is also used for giving and taking permission. Example: may I come in? Second one, you can go now. Should is used for moral obligation. Example: you should wear helmet while driving. Second one, you should come in uniform. Now my friend Vedasi going to explain remaining verbs.
Must is used for moral obligation but stronger than should. Example: you must prepare seriously to get job. Will is used for determination. Example: I will get rank in NCET. Here will is used for promise. I will help you in your homework. Here will is used for willingness.
Today we are going to explain about parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's know about them. Noun. The noun is nothing but the naming word. It is used to name a person, place, thing, etc. Example: Ramu is eating. Here Ramu is a noun. Shani is crying. Shani is also a noun. Second, pronoun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. Example: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. The adjective are used to describe the noun and pronoun. It tells about the color, nature, size, number, quality, quantity, etc. Example: the sky is blue. She is cruel. Give me 10 rupees. Verb. The verbs are mainly used for 3 functions: to tell about the subject's position. Example: I am teacher. To tell about the possession. Own. I have a car. To tell about the action. I teach English.
Now I am telling the adverb. Adverb is describes the verb. She presented a seminar beautifully. Here presented his work. Here beautifully is adverb. Preposition. Preposition is a word used to show its relation words. The words shows like on, in, and, for, by. Examples: the bus came at 9:30. She passed SSC in 2023. I shall meet you on Sunday. Thank you.
The conjunction are used to 2 types of some conjunction and but so or examples. She studied well but failed. In this sentence, but is conjunction. Some example: she studied well. She gets second rank. In this sentence, so is conjunction.
Now I am going to say biography of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is Sandhu Jaitley was born on 28 1907 in September. When Bhagat Singh was only 12 years old, he found school to visit the site of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre just hours after thousands of unarmed people had been killed. When Bhagat Singh was only 14, he took part in a protest against the killing of a large number of unarmed people at Gurudwara Nankana Sahib. He was oriented towards the socialism and socialist revolutions led by Lenin at an early age.
Today we are going to explain about punctuation marks. Full stop. A full stop is a punctuation. Full stop is a formula punctuation mark because you cannot write even a single sentences also without using it. A comma is a place to separate different ideas in a sentence. However, it has many uses as well, and it is important to remember them as well. Some of the most common comma rules follow. And the sentence follows subject plus verb plus object. Verb order the subject. Object verb is object. Now my friend will explain. The simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence are the 4 major types of sentence constructions. Conventional grammar. Now my friend will explain. Sentence structure or sentence framing is basic defined as the order in which these parts of speech are used to form a grammatical correct sentence. When it comes to basic sentence from now a friend for
Basic sentence. How do you simply
Present, past, participle. Become, became, become. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Buy, bought, bought. Choose, chosen. Fall, fell, fallen. Thank you.
Adjectives are the words that describe or provide more information about the noun or the subject in a sentence. Example: did you see how big the dog was? In this sentence, big is the adjective. The weather is pleasant today. In this sentence, pleasant is adjective. Preposition. Preposition are the words that link to the one part of the sentence or another. Preposition shows the position of the object or the subject in a sentence. Example: the child ate his birthday presents under his bed. In this sentence, under is preposition. Mom asked me to go to the store near my school. In this sentence, we hear this as preposition. Now my friend Shojan is going to explain about conjunction.
My name is Shojan. Now I am going to explain about conjunction. Conjunction are the possibilities used to connect two different words in a sentence. Example in sentence formation. Meera and Jasmine came to my birthday party in this and is a conjunction. Janice did not go to work as she was sick. In this not is conjunction. Now my friend Baljan.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Badrinath. I am going to explain interjections. Interjections are words that use to convey strong feelings or emotions. Wow, what a wonderful of work art. Alas, that is really sad. EP, we won the match.
Invitation technique lets the host have an account of the number of people who attend the events and the people who the host should expect in the event so that they could make the necessary arrangements.
Invitation is a writer or spoken request to come to an event such as a party or meal or meeting. An informal invitation can be sent out to letters.
There are two types of letters, formal and informal letters. Now my friend Chaitanya is going to tell about informal letters.
Formal letter. A formal letter is written using a formal language and a structure formal to be used. These letters are usually written for business, government authorities, agriculture, etc. Now my friend is explaining about informal letters.
Formal letter and informal letter is this type of letter is also known as friendly letter. Now we will certainly explain more about informal letters usually written for personal communication. This is an example for an informal letter and this is example for formal letter. My topic is simple sentences. Simple sentence. To make simple sentence we need phrase and clause. Phrase which does not have complete sentence and subject. Phrase clause it has a subject and verb. Finite verbs am, is, are, was, were. These are finite verbs. They change into being. V2 changes into V1 plus ing form. V2 changes into having plus V3. Example: she was sick, she was absent. Being sick, she was absent. He saw the snake, he shouted. Seeing the snake, he have shouted. He received the phone call, he started to Mumbai. Receiving the phone call, he started to Mumbai. Simple sentence. He robbed her and he killed her. That we are making the two sentences into a simple sentence by using beside. Besides robbing her, he killed her. The two actions have taken place at one time. In spite of studying well, he got good job. This is Deepika. Compound sentence. When we combine two sentences with the help of a suitable conjunction, it is called compound sentence. Compound words are and, but, so, because, or. He went to bank is one sentence. Deposited the money is another sentence. To combine the two sentences, we use and. She studied well. She failed. She studied well, but she failed. He had a fever. He went to hospital. He had a fever, so he went to hospital.
This is Shravanti from 9th standard. Today I would like to speak about complex sentence. Complex sentence, it consists of subordinate clause and main clause. Complex sentence examples. If you study well, you will get good marks. If you study well is a subordinate clause, you will get good marks is a main clause. As she has a fever, she did not come to school. As she has a fever is a subordinate clause. She did not come to school is a main clause. As soon as he saw the police, he ran away. As soon as he saw the police is a subordinate clause. He ran away is a main clause. Thank you. Our topic is direct and indirect speech. Saying the words exactly word to word is called direct speech. Saying the words exactly should not be in word to word. Those are called indirect speech. For example, speaker says the words and the reporter reports those words into indirect speech. He said, I am busy now. This is called speaker words. This is indirect speech. To change this into indirect speech, there are some rules. Comma should be removed and inverted comma should be removed. He said that I am busy now. To change it into indirect speech, he said that he was busy. She said, I will leave for USA tomorrow. She said that
in the USA in past changes into past simple tense. Example, he said he lived in the USA. Present continuous tense and past continuous tense. It will change to past continuous tense. Example, I am writing in past continuous tense. He said he was writing. Past simple tense. It changes into past perfect tense. Example, I cooked Maggie. In past perfect tense, he said he had cooked Maggie. These are modal verbs. Can. Can is a intensive, it changes into could. Could is intensive. I can dance. He said that he could dance. Must be direct speech. Had to is intensive. Must changes into had to. I must work. He said that he had to work. These are time differences. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is direct speech. It changes into the following day. The following day is indirect speech. I will leave for USA tomorrow. She said that she would leave for USA the next day. Yesterday. Yesterday is next speech. It changes into the previous day. The previous day is next speech. Our science sir used her study. They said that science teachers visited them the day before.
And my topic is about articles. Articles are the things they say about the noun coming noun and they modify the noun. There are two types in articles. Indefinite and definite. In indefinite there are two. A and N. The first one is going to continue about A and N.
A is used before but beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a rat, cow, a buffalo. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Example, an elephant, an ox, an ibex.
The is used when it is speaking of a definite person or place or thing. Example, the dog, the lion, the sun, the earth, the tiger, etc.
It is about irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are adjectives which don't follow the dialectal past tense or past participle form. Usually these are different verbs with similar meaning. And later conditions of Kartik.
My name is Kartik. The verb do not follow the normal pattern or past tense or past participle. A word do not follow the usual rule of grammar. Example, swim, swam, swum. Sing, sang is present and this is past participle. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Ring, rang, rung. According to the Oxford Dictionary, an irregular verb is a verb that is not formed in the normal way. Thank you.
Articles are two types. A and N. Indefinite articles. The definite articles. A or and used before the noun. You under three conditions. The noun should be one singular, far and advocate, countable, a book, an Australian, common, a village. Now article explain about the use of A and N.
Use of A and N. These are vowels, these are consonants. Dual sound A or vowels, E is silent, O or dual sound. This produce dual sound means double sound. This produce vowel sound and consonant. And ornament is vowel sound. And one group is consonant sound. A university is consonant sound. An umbrella is vowel sound. Silent letters. Here which is pronounced here and non-instrument. Here foot is silent. A horse here which is pronounced and honorable person here which is silent. Vowel sounds in abbreviations.
That's A and the articles uses is chart and number, hammer, plastic apples, trees, battery, light, my friend.
This I shall summarize this content about our topic about English writers and Indian writers. About Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu and Ruskin Bond are the famous writers. Are famous writer and they are choosing. They wrote stories and poems in textbooks and first to 10th. And they Rabindranath Tagore is the popular are called born on 7th May 1861. His name is written as Rabindranath Tagore in many languages of India. He was a poet, professor and artist. His work, many stories, novels, poems and dramas. He became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in Literacy in 1913. The is used before now.
which is already default. The example, the gift which you gave me is very beautiful. And is used before noun for the first time used. The is used before the same noun second time onwards. Example, I saw a boy near a pawn shop. He was crying. I called a boy and gave him an apple. He took the apple and ate it. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is May. Explain about balanced diet. Balanced diet. The needed amount of all nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals is called balanced diet. Carbohydrates, they are the energy giving component of food. They make our body healthy, provide energy, and prevent our body from getting diseases. By eating them, they provide instant energy to our body. Examples of carbohydrates are rice, bread, honey, sugar, etc. Fats, they are also the energy giving component of food.
Like to explain about algebraic expressions. Here we have prepared some formulas related to algebraic expressions. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. X plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus x into a plus b whole plus ab. A plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Thank you.
At the power. We are reading about power and exponent. Here is the model of
Power and exponent. This is in this is a formula. So here a into a is equals to a to the power of m. This is called the numerator.
A to the power of m or n is equals to a to the power of m n. A to the power of m into b to the power of m. ab whole m. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus m minus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of m a by b whole m. Thank you.
But here we have used it because less dependence can be there. Farmers also use it because less dependence can be there. So with water savings and like other forms of irrigation. Here water supplies the plant very
Today we would like to discuss about health and hygiene. In modern times, it has become so important to take care of one's health and hygiene. Hygiene refers to good practices and rituals that prevent diseases and leads to good health. Nutritious food. Should have an adequate amount of vitamins, minerals and calories. One of the most nutritious food is considered as pure milk, pure water. One of the major sources of good health is pure water. Many people get sick because of drinking impure water. So drink pure water as it prevents diseases. Cleanliness. Cleanliness is one of the most important elements
for the good health. We should keep our body clean and our surroundings also clean. Yoga is very good for health. We should do yoga daily. If you want to make your body flexible and strong, you should do yoga daily. Drinking and smoking is not good for our health. We should avoid drinking and smoking. By smoking, our body can get affected a lot. We get cancer, etc. Drinking and smoking is not good for our health, so we should avoid it. Thank you.
Carbohydrates are rich of calories. Carbohydrates are present in rice, wheat, beetroot, etc. Proteins are in protein. Proteins are present in all pulses, meat of health and excitement. Fats are present in 65 fats are present in chicken oil. Saturated fats are good to our body. These are different to the body. Unsaturated fats are present in vegetables like meat of fish and mostly the minimum rate of percent to
understanding the corpus spelling and coronal dynamics of the Indian continuous spiral. They say the L1 in a hollow orbit around L1 point and has L1 edges has compared to Casimir. What are the three main purposes of judiciary? The dispenser of justice, protector of the rights and rights, guardian of the constitution of the state, Central government. It consists of two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Important members. It comprises the President, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. State government. It consists of five houses, the Vidhan Sabha and the Vidhan Parishad. Now my friend is going to explain. Democratic government. One of the ways to accommodate the views of all kinds of people in the society and arrest forces from controlling the government. In the democratic government, it was made possible because of the struggles of people all over the world, which live in harmony with people's wishes. Now my friend democracy may be direct or indirect. In direct democracy, every adult has a right to vote on individual laws. A modern example of direct democracy is a referendum, which is a name for deciding a law where everyone in the country votes on it. Direct democracies are not used to run countries.
Globe is a model of the globe is the lines on its surface which is drawn crisscross lines which cause pattern on the globe. These help to visualize where the countries are in relation to one another. The east-west lines are called latitudes while now she will explain about the
Interactive lines that divided the they were south from
the rotation and the revolution. Rotation means Earth rotates on its own axis around itself. And this is the sunlight. When sunlight is falling on the earth, it rotates. When sunlight is falling, this is the day, and where sunlight is not falling, this is the night. This is rotation, and the effects are effects on the direction of wind and the cyclones and the ocean currents. And this is the revolution. Revolution means earth rotates around the sun. This is sun. And this is the sun. This is earth. Earth is rotating around the sun. It takes 365 days. It's producing seasons. This is revolution and rotation. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Asna from 8th class. Today I am going to explain about disaster management. Natural disaster any calamitous occurrence generated by the effects of natural rather than the human-driven phenomena that produces great loss of human life or destruction of a natural environment, private property or natural environment. Earthquake. An earthquake is a shifting of the earth's plates which results in a sudden shaking of the earth. It can be last for few minutes to few seconds. Earthquakes can happen without any warning and can happen at any time of the year. Now my friend is going to explain about droughts. Drought is a prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle that can occur anywhere in the world. It is a slow onset disaster caused by lack of precipitations resulting in a water shortage. Now my friend Sasha is going to explain about wildfire.
Wildfire is an disaster of unintentional fire that spread in no time in natural areas like forest. It's normally occur in vegetation areas and cause extreme damage to manland. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Today our project is greenhouse. Greenhouse effect is the process through which heat is trapped by the substances known as greenhouse gases. Major greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, sulfur hexafluoride, and nitrogen trifluoride are the major greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is widely reported as the major greenhouse gases. Greenhouses are made up of with a transparent sheet was offered to interrupt the shortwave radiation from the sun and to leave the longwave radiation to the Earth's atmosphere. The greenhouse farming took the place in the Sikkim for the first time in India. There are several benefits of greenhouse. We can increase our business profitability. We can increase our water level and we can reduce our global warming.
A greenhouse is a special structure that is designed to regulate the temperature and humidity to the environment inside. But they all have large areas covered with transparent special materials. A greenhouse is also called a glasshouse. A glasshouse, on other hand, traditional type of greenhouse only made by glass panes. Thank you.
Welcome to Ayodhya Ram Mandir. The history of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir is deeply intertwined with the Indian religious and political history. Ayodhya is believed to be the birthplace of Lord Ram, a central figure in Hindu epic Ramayana. Lord Ram was born in Ayodhya and his kingdom was located there. In 16th century, a mosque known as Babur Masjid was located in Ayodhya by Mughal Empire Babur. The mosque stood for centuries and became a point of religious and political contention. In the 1980s, Hindu nationalist organization, particularly the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bharatiya Janata Party, launched a movement, reclaimed the site and built a temple dedicated to Lord Ram. This movement is known as Ram Janmabhoomi movement. In December 2nd, 1992,
The large crowd of Indian activities, including members of various rights wing organizations, demolished the Babur Masjid. The following of demolition, various legal battles and the ownership of the land and tried to build a temple. The case went through several courts and hearing and judicial intervention over the years.
In November 2019, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the dispute land should be handed over to the trust to build the Ram Janmabhoomi temple, while also allocating a separate piece of land to the Sunni Waqf Board for the construction of mosque. Construction of Ram Mandir began after the Supreme Court verdict. The groundbreaking ceremony took place in August 2020. Some key entities and organizations with movements, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Bharatiya Janata Party, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, Hindu Sanction leaders.
Anticipated of Pran Pratishtha of idol Ramlalla involved in Ayodhya. The sculptor of Ramlalla, Arun Yogiraj calls himself the luckiest person on the earth. The strength of the Ram Mandir comes from the 32,800 blocks of granite, 20,700 blocks of sandstone and 7,200 blocks of marble was used in construction of Ram Mandir. The chief architect Ram Mandir was Chandrakant Sompura, and the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha took place on 22nd January 2024. The movement proud to be all the Sanatanis and followers of Lord Sri Ram. Thank you.
The modern combine harvester is a machine used in crops to harvest the things like paddy and wheat, rye. These are the things that can harvest the things in this combined harvester. Through this, knowing the process of this, it will come outside, and after that it will come to.
This combined harvester takes less time to crop the crops and threshes them, cleans them from the chaff, and also takes less time and helps the farmers to reach the peak time of labor shortage, and also saves the different vagaries of weather in coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. Due to these excessive benefits, farmers use this CHS, combined harvester.
Disadvantages of combined harvesters that harvesters are cannot transport on loaders, as the cost of harvesters are too much. Farmers cannot buy the harvesters and keep on their farms. Thank you.
Today I am going to explain about ozone layer. Ozone layer is nothing but the layer which covers the earth and saves us from the direct sun rays. Ozone layer help us to avoid the direct sun rays, harmful rays like UV rays, which are harmful to our body skin. So
use of ozone layers. Ozone layers is nothing but the layer which is the outer part of the earth. The outer part of the earth is called ozone layer, and it is polluting the ozone layer while polluting the factories and waters are the most dangerous part of our life. So we should not pollute the ozone layer. we should not pollute the ozone layer. In the past tense, the ozone layer will be protected like this. Now future tense, the ozone layer is lasting like this. So not pollute the ozone layer.
To reduce the emissions of ozone layer, we must reduce as of gases liberated from factories. Avoid consumptions of gases like dangerous to the ozone layer. Right.
The ozone layer of save us from harmful like ozone layer reduce of confusion. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మన రిషి హై స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఫేర్ అండ్ ఎస్ఎల్సి 2 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరిగినాయి. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరపడం ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం పిల్లల్లో ఒక బాండింగ్ పెరగడం, ఒక ఫియర్లెస్నెస్ తీసుకురావడం, వాళ్ళలో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెంచడము అండ్ వాళ్ళ అకాడమిక్స్లో నేర్చుకున్నవి ఈ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ ద్వారా అండ్ ఎస్ఎల్సి ద్వారా వాళ్ళు బయటకి చూపించగలుగుతారు. అదొక రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అని ఇట్లాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాము. దానికి పేరెంట్స్ సహకారము, పిల్లల సహకారం, మన టీచర్స్ సహకారం బాగా ఉంది. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మా ఆహ్వానంపై విచ్చేసిన ఎండిఓ సార్ వెంకట నరసింహ సార్ గారికి మరియు లింగగౌడ్ సార్ గారికి నా ధన్యవాదాలు. You know Shobha teacher, Sujata teacher, Madhavi teacher, you know? Yes. So they picked up your names, your teachers, SLC and judges, your parents also acted as judges now, they gave vote. And that is
చూస్తాం కదా మమ్మీ.
Competition of handwriting.
Boys sit down. Boys all sit down. Girls. Okay, sorry. Everybody is a winner. Winner here. Come, P1. So highest attendance. So congratulations. Catch. Catch. Madam. Wait.
Second prize goes to Sapna.
Are you intelligent? Yes. 3 in 1. Okay,